Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gloria Parra for my Creative Scrapbook. Today I have the new June kit in my hands and I am loving it. I want to share it with you. I want to show you some of the things that come in this kit. It is a very travel themed kit for all the vacations you're gonna have, all the traveling you're gonna do, or if you're gonna stay home, I'm sure you have lots of traveling and vacation photos that you can work with. So let's start. I love that this June kit has lots of the simple stories, pack your bags, collect items in the kit. So you get the foam stickers that are always one of my favorites. I love that you get lots of titles here, lots of titles opportunity. You get some things that can work for clustering. So you get title and clustering opportunities in this pack. We also get a pre-cut cut file that says pack your bags. I love that. That way you don't have to cut it yourself if you don't have the machine, or if you want to, sorry for the noise. If it's something you don't want to do, you get this pre-cut in your kit. So here you get to see it better. Pack your bags. It's a very nice size, not too big and not too small. So that's what we get. We have the foam, stickers, and the die cut. We get two ephemera packs. This super awesome ephemera pack, but it's not the regular, friends. It's the big bits. And I love those. I'm gonna show them here. I have one open and I love it. So look, ready for an adventure. We get lots of fun traveling motifs. I love this cityscape. Super fun. I adore this gigantic tag, camera, suitcases. Lots of fun things, friends, here. So you get that, and you get a day in the life ephemera pack. I really like this idea that this kit club does. I love that it's not everything. It's not travel themed. You get some other fun things incorporated. So if you want to create some travel layouts and some other kind of everyday layouts, you get the chance to do that. So nothing more fun than doing what people say you can't do. The best way to get things done is simply to begin. So you get lots of fun embellishments here. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So I'm gonna try to do a more generic or everyday layout, focusing on this ones, and I'm gonna try to another couple travel theme. Okay friends, so I'm gonna start my first layout with this kit, and I can't resist tickets paper. There are 2 ticket papers in this collection, but I want to start with this palette of softer colors. That it's the Where to Next pattern papers by Vicky Boutin. Okay, so I just fell in love with his tickets. I gotta cut them apart and use them. I have this super cute photos with my oldest girl in New York, and I want to tell the story of how it was her dream to go to New York, and we made it happen for her and for our anniversary. So she was just so excited for this trip, and I want to tell that story in this layout. So let's start cutting our ticket pattern paper. I got 2 of them here. I've cut some tickets apart, like you can see here. So I want to show you how I cut this pattern papers. I purchased, a friend recommended this super fun hair scissor. I don't know if you can see it, but it's to trim hair, and I love them for tickets. So I go ahead and cut my ticket straight. Well, this is not going to be a good one to show you because it's straight, but just cut your borders like that. Don't cut anything of the, like that side of the sides that has the, like the, I don't know how to call it, but the zigzag or this kind of, look, Look how good that look, friends. It just looks as it's been ripped from like a ticket. It looks awesome. So it's this kind of scissor for hair. I got it from Amazon and I'm gonna link it. But I went ahead and cut a bunch of tickets that I'm gonna use on my 12 by 12 layout. So I'm gonna create a border here. This border from another Vicky Bouton pattern paper is 3.5 by 12. And I'm gonna use that border here, and all my tickets will be coming out from there. Okay, so go ahead and put some music on, put your favorite TV show, and just have fun with this little tickets that remind me so much of our travel, of all the memorabilia that we got from our trip to New York. One tip that I want to share with you when you're cutting your tickets out is you can use any regular hole punch, or if you have in your stash or your tools this little circle hole tool, you can use it to create the little circles in the tags. So you just look for the size and you just punch half a circle there and you get the perfect little indents in your tickets. So just look in your tools what you can use to make the job easier. And here I have, look at all that beautiful tags that are ready to go. I've gone ahead and adhere with some double-sided adhesive this border, and I've left this without adhesive yet to tuck all my little tickets. From the sticker sheet, we get 2 sticker sheets, right? We get 2 sticker sheets in this kit. So I really like these ones that are more muted for this layout, but I think I'm gonna mix them both. Okay, but I wanna use this little border strip. I love the light blue, and I want to put it here, and my tickets will come from under there. Maybe I'll add some stitching in the border. We'll see. We'll see about that. So you go ahead, cut your tickets, place them in the order and colors that you like. Remember to vary the sizes, the look. So you have some little circles here. Look to put a ragged one, like the other form of tickets. And colors, just look to create some interest when you're placing your tickets. Okay. So I'm gonna adhere this border because I took the adhesive first. I'm gonna adhere this and leave this side so I can stitch it. So whenever you're arranging them, you see I have 2 similar ones here, so I try to put one in the middle. You can put one on top, one on the bottom. Just try to play with the arrangement, the colors, and try to make it fun and interesting. You can put them straight, you can put it a little askew. Just first find the order that you like, and then we can move them around and see what we like better, right? I will now finish adhering my little tickets. You just play a little with the placement, tuck some of them more, some of them leave them more outside. That way you have that variety in the length, and just curl them up a little. And maybe we can add a little stitching here in the border here. And now I will bring in my photos. And I want to add 3 photos because I love these 3 photos of my girl and I. So let's start adhering. I want this one to be my main photo, like the most important one. like my friend Victoria Marie calls it, the hero photo. So whenever you have a couple photos in your layout, you can make one of them stand out with a little frame, some pattern paper, like a special treatment. So I want to put some paper there, and I'm gonna bring in what I'm thinking of using. I was thinking of using this beautiful map, this yellow map paper. And also, you know, I like this little tag for my title here. This came from another piece of pattern paper, of tag pattern paper. I'm gonna show it to you. This Simple Stories collections has awesome tags that you can use for journaling or to place your title, to layer your embellishment clusters. So since this is yellow, I want to add some yellow to my main photo. So let's create a little frame here. And make this photo pop, since it's my favorite photo of this three. Okay, I have my hero photo now. I matted it with this, it's the back side of the ticket paper. It has this grid, like pinkish grid. I love that. And the yellow. So that's gonna be my main photo. I have the two supporting photos and my little tag. On this tag, I'm gonna bring in my title, Travel Vibes. I love this one. If you see, we have the very saturated colors, and we have these ones that are a little more muted. So I chose this, the Travel Vibes, and I'm gonna put that, I have it on some wax paper. I do that whenever I'm creating. Until I'm very sure about the title, I put it on some wax paper. Okay, so I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna bring in all these little elements that I already auditioned. I was thinking of adding my little, I never know what that's called. I think it's cityscape, something like that. And I want to bring this two tags to come up here. So I'm gonna have maybe this one like that, and I think I have this one under here, and that way I can add my journaling there and some other elements. So let me play with this a little. I'm gonna have, I think, this here. I was thinking of adding this little airplane, and I have some other embellishments from this Echo Park paper. I like this note and this like time itinerary that I can put on this side, maybe something like that. Let's bring in our two main stickers, and let's call it ephemera, because this is what we will use to embellish this layout. I was thinking of adding a little floral here under my tag. That way I bring in the colors down here. I was also thinking of using this together. That's found, I believe I got it from here. Yeah, here, together. And I like, because it has that like reddish orange. I was thinking of adding it over there. My little airplane coming, flying up there. And I was thinking of adding something else. What was I thinking? And then we can finish with the little geo tags or something small that will act like little confetti. But I think that's it, so we can adhere. Oh, I was thinking of adding this one. We're enjoying every moment. It's like an orangey red color. Maybe, I don't know, travel vibes. We're enjoying every moment. But I think that's too much, right? Maybe tucking it here. I was also thinking we can put it there. I like the visual triangle that makes there. I don't know what you think. If you like it and you're recreating something similar, you can put it there and we'll think about it. Let's start adhering and finishing this layout. Friends, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give that little thumbs up a press, and don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. That helps us creators a ton to be discovered and to create more videos for all of you. So thank you very much to everyone who leaves a nice comment, feedback. Those messages make my day. And I think that's it, friends. I think I like that a lot. I love the softness. I love how airy it looks. I love that the photos are the main stage. I love the little tickets. I think I will add some stitching here, my journaling up here, and maybe some little geotags. Yeah, we have a bunch of geotags, hearts that we can use like little confettis here. Like I really like this one. Maybe this can point to the airplane. Oh, I just love this little sticker sheet. Maybe we can bring some florals down here. That way we get like something that repeats in every cluster. Repetition is very important. So let's finish creating our final touches. So I've added some little hearts that point like to the cityscape, that points to the photo. And now I was thinking of adding like a subtitle under travel vibes, and we get tons of beautiful words here, sayings. So I could travel buddies. I was thinking of enjoying the journey, or let's go everywhere. That's a nice one because we were starting to go around town and discovering all the beautiful places. So I'm gonna put some foam adhesive, sorry, to this one, and I think I will call it done. I like using this very thin strips for my titles, for my subtitles or word stickers, but I think this one will work right now because this is a little more thick. Yeah, this works perfectly. So there it is. Travel vibes. Let's go everywhere. And that's it, friends. I think that I love how this layout turned out. I'm super happy with it. I will add some still shots at the end so you can see it better. And thank you so much for watching. It was awesome to create with this kit this month. I'm super excited for my next layouts. I have them in mind, sketched out, so stay tuned. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Until the next time, this was Gloria Parra for my Creative Scrapbooks. Bye-bye.